My name is Bill Ritchie, and I'm an artist, but I'm not the conventional artist, the vanilla artist, if you will, that you read about in Western civilization. Maybe I'm a little more like the artists of the East who were philosophers and visionaries. Anyway, I met a woman a long time ago, and she was a daughter of a paper maker, a scientist, and he introduced handmade paper making to me through his kits. When he died, she took over the business, and I met her a few years back, and I was very excited, and I had all kinds of proposals for her. And she said to me after the end of a pointless discussion, "You have given this project a life of its own." And I thought, well, isn't that good? Aren't artists supposed to give things a life, whether it's a drawing or a model of painting, something that lives on? Well, I took that as a lesson. Not everybody wants to put life into things. Not everybody wants to participate in something that someone else made a living thing. So now as I approach my I'm 84, and I have 1 year to put together a proposal that has a life of its own. And I invite people to come in and participate in making this thing real in the hands and minds of kids. But when I'm pessimistic and I'm feeling negative about America these days, I wonder, is there anybody out there who wants to participate in something that an artist has put together and structured, and needs their help? Are they willing, or do they look and say, "Oh, you've given this a life of its own," and they want nothing to do with it? Well, that would be too bad. But hey, I have another day in front of me, and you never know who's going to walk in my door. Thanks for watching and listening. I'm Bill Ritchie.